JBN, we keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, police constable killed in car crash. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. A police constable succumbed to injuries he sustained in a collision on the Constant Spring Main Road in St. Andrew on Sunday. Dead is 23-year-old Delroy Hinds, was assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that sometime after 2 a.m., Hinds was a passenger in a Toyota Belta motor car, which was reportedly being driven by another police constable. The driver allegedly lost control of the vehicle and collided with a utility pole. Both men sustained injuries during the crash and were taken to hospital, where Hinds died while being treated. The driver remains hospitalized. The police high command has expressed condolences to the family, friends, and colleagues of the deceased policeman. The Constabulary's Chaplaincy Branch and Welfare Department are providing support to Hinds' family members, friends, and colleagues. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.